Imagine a place where morning mist gently embraces the hills and the first rays of sunlight slowly appear. Welcome to Taman Langit Pangalengan. Here, every step becomes a story. As you walk through endless green tea plantations, you feel the calmness of nature surrounding you. Each path invites you to pause and capture the beauty around you. From breathtaking photo spots to quiet moments of reflection above the clouds, every corner offers something unforgettable. And it's not just about the view, it's about laughter shared with friends, the warmth of togetherness, and memories that will stay in your heart. Taman Langit Pangalengan is more than just a destination. It is a space for happiness, a place to celebrate every moment and to discover harmony